Best Lanterns comparison. Paper lanterns have long been cherished for their ability to transform spaces into elegant, festive, or serene environments. Whether for weddings, birthdays, or cultural celebrations, they are versatile and affordable decorative solutions. In this article, we compare 5 popular paper lantern products, ranging from budget. List number. The Zillu Paper Lantern set is a standout option for those seeking a sophisticated aesthetic. Featuring 15 lanterns in sage green, ivory, gold, and forest green, this set is designed to complement rustic and vintage-themed events. The lanterns come in 3 sizes, 6, 8, and 10, offering flexibility in arrangement and visual impact. The inclusion of 130 feet of transparent fishing line adds convenience, while the sturdy rice paper and metal supports ensure durability. Performance-wise, the Zillu Lanterns excel in creating a romantic and elegant atmosphere. The color palette is well-balanced, making it ideal for weddings, bridal showers, and garden parties. Assembly is simple thanks to the included instructions, and the ability to reuse the lanterns adds value. However, the lanterns are slightly heavier than similar models, which may require stronger mounting points for outdoor use. List number. The Bashida 10-piece white paper lantern set is the most budget-friendly option in this comparison, priced at $11.99. It includes lanterns in 5 sizes, 4 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, and 12 inches, making it versatile for various decorative needs. The minimalist white design is perfect for weddings, Christmas parties, and other events where simplicity is key. Made from high-quality tissue paper and metal supports, these lanterns are lightweight and easy to store. While the Bashida lanterns offer excellent value for money, their plain design may not appeal to those seeking more vibrant or intricate decorations. They are easy to assemble and can be reused, but the tissue paper material feels thinner compared to premium models. Users can enhance their appeal by inserting LED lights, though this requires an additional purchase. List number. The Family Blue Paper Lantern set features 12 lanterns in 4 sizes, 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches, with a vibrant blue color scheme. Designed for versatility, these lanterns can be used for weddings, birthday parties, and even DIY projects. The sturdy tissue paper and metal supports make them reusable, while their lightweight design ensures easy hanging from ceilings, trees, or umbrellas. Family lanterns excel in creating a bold and cheerful ambiance. Their vibrant blue tones make them ideal for summer parties and children's events. Assembly is straightforward, and the ability to insert LED lights adds functionality. However, the lack of color variety may limit their appeal for users seeking more neutral or pastel options. List number. The generic 20-pack Chinese lantern set is the premium option in this comparison, priced at $24.99. These lanterns are made from flame-retardant paper and bamboo frames, ensuring safety and eco-friendliness. Designed for memorials and festivals, they can be used as message boards to write wishes or commemorations. Each lantern comes with operating instructions for easy assembly. While the eco-friendly materials and large quantity make this set appealing, its performance is somewhat limited due to the thin paper construction. The biodegradable design is a plus for environmentally conscious users, but the lanterns are not as durable as other models. Additionally, the 3.7-star rating reflects mixed user feedback, with some citing difficulty in assembly. List number. The Backler Boho Paper Lantern set offers a colorful and playful design, featuring 15 lanterns in 6 designs and sizes ranging from 4 inches to 12 inches. Ideal for classrooms, office spaces, and back-to-school decorations, these lanterns are crafted from sturdy paper and metal supports. The multicolor design makes them suitable for cheerful and casual settings. These lanterns are easy to assemble and provide a bright, cheerful atmosphere. However, their bold colors may not suit formal events or understated themes. The inclusion of multiple sizes adds versatility, but the lack of LED lights or additional features may limit their functionality for nighttime use.